Am I going to get sacked if I look at it, am I?
No! Anyway, I'm over 18.
That excuse, like, that 3 points.
Is it recorded?
Yeah.
Is this weak?
Yeah.
Uncomfortable.
That's it.
Alrighty.
Oh wait, see, Elijah wiping his eyes.
Huh?
So, responses.
It was really emotional. No, it was nice. I liked it. I liked she had like a lot of different shots, and she had like footage that I know was old, what she filmed as well, new footage and everything. I really liked it.
What you said it was emotional. What was the most emotional part to it?
I think when Tia's crying. Yeah.
What did you think of that?
Oh, I like the shots that she used because like the
Which
old,
ones?
Jumping, drowning, the fire, because they all had like similar meaning to it, and they all wanted to like say, oh, it's a breakup or something, and like kind of got into me. So, and there was like the shots of happiness when she was with Ring and stuff like that. But like she showed this two sides of the story.
Yeah.
So I think that was really interesting.
Good. What do you think, Elijah?
I think she told the story quite well. I feel like, I guess it wouldn't have been possible, but I would have liked to see some more of Wade. Like, I mean, you see what Tia was going through, but we didn't see anything from Wayne. I know it wouldn't be possible because it's like, it was a real story. But I mean, video installation wise, would have been nice. But apart from that, it was really good. It showed quite a few emotions, all but one, which was anger. We didn't see any sort of
And it's burning clothes.
burning clothes, but that kind of seemed like he was moving on more of you being angry. So,
How did you feel? Because it's a true story. How do you feel showing it to everyone?
I don't know. I feel like it's alright to show everyone because I was in class and constantly like crying. Like last week was like, I think the only days I didn't cry a lot was Sunday, and it's just sort of like I wanted to basically put to use the emotion which I was feeling, because like I just wanted to be able just to move on and get on with it. So that's why I felt like I wanted to show it, because I felt like it'd make it easier and just, you know, stop with all the over dramatic emotions, because I couldn't even be at work more than an hour without crying, and it came to the point where midway through work everyone was just like drink this, drink this, drink this, just so I would stop crying. So it's just sort of like I wanted to do that as a sort of way for me to move on.
Cool. And because it's sort of the suicidal kind of element to it. Is,
Oh, no, I added that because I thought it would be good to show like some of it. Like I wasn't suicidal. It's just sort of like I want like with most relationships where like there's been a lot of emotion put involved. Lots of people tend to feel the need to end it all or go towards suicide. So I just wanted to show like how most people would feel at the end of a relationship. For me, I just felt like I wanted to also portray like with the jumping out the window of like just trying to fly away and then drowning the
it was nicely done. I thought the shot, you know, climbing out the window. I hope you really went high up. My God, don't tell me if you were. And then and then the cut to just the empty frame. I thought that was, you know, cut to something else and then cut back. It was nicely handled actually in terms of you know, in terms of conveying that.
Yeah, because I had to climb out the window quite quickly because my
I don't want to know about you climbing out
I'm
windows.
not allowed to climb out.
No, shit, Sherlock, especially if it's 2 flights up. Okay, we're moving on. So, yeah, I think it really worked on an emotional level, and it was kind of surprising. And I think those, you know, the shots with you and me at the beginning and that kind of intimacy and stuff like that, it's the sort of footage you can't fake, isn't it? Do you know what I mean? If you said, oh, I don't know, 2 people in the class pretend you're in a relationship, you know, that kind of level of intimacy is something very hard to kind of construct. But the fact that it was raw and sincere from the time, I think, you know, kind of really added an element to it. So I think it's a very brave piece, actually.
but
And I was very impressed with it. I was, you know, pleasantly surprised. Well done. Let's finish then. Well done. And I hope you heal, hun. In due time heals everything.
Yeah, it does.
And if not, you can always stalk them.
Oh God, that